Okay, guys, so as you might not know or may know, I hate peaches because they give me a rash on my face, but that was when I was 9. So, now I'm going to try them 2013. So, let's see. I got a really good peach. It's red and fuzzy, and how peach is supposed to be fuzzy? Or is that mold growing on them? And okay, it feels hard like an apple. See? Okay, so here I go. Oh my god, that's hard. That's hard. I feel like I'm in Twilight. It's weird. I don't really get it. Why does it have to be so hard? It's so soft, which I would love it to be more softer than to be hard. So let me try that. Ugh. Ugh. That tastes bad. I mean, it's hard, so let me try to decide. Maybe that's the problem. Oh, yeah. I found a soft part. Let me try that part. I can't eat this anymore, so I just do that. I can't do that anymore. You guys just saw me eat the thing that I hate the most. So I'll do more eating challenges. Guys, I am seriously trying to get a P.O. box for you guys to send me stuff, but I sadly don't have a P.O. box yet. So don't worry, you'll be able to send stuff in soon. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.